Ready? Shorthand legal dictation. Speed with 100 word per minute. Start. Placing empowerment in perspective, comma. This court noted in a state of Uttaranchal versus Balwant Singh Chaufal that the first phase of public interest litigation concerned itself with primarily with the protection of the fundamental rights under Article 21 of the Constitution of Code, the marginalized groups and sections of the society who, because of extreme poverty, illiteracy, and ignorance, cannot approach this court or the high courts. Full stop unquote. We may add dash the socially underprivileged groups. Full stop. These are the people who have no real access to justice and in that sense are voiceless, comma, and these are the people who need to be empowered and whose cause needs to be championed by those who advocate social justice for the disadvantaged. Full stop para. This recognition formed the basis of the decision of this court in Delhi Jal Board versus National Campaign for Dignity and Rights of Sewerage and Allied Workers, wherein providing succor to the deprived sections of society was recognized as a code, constitutional duty unquote of this court. Full stop. Referring to several judgments delivered by this court, comma, it was observed colon code. These judgments are a complete answer to the appellant's objection to the maintainability of the writ petition filed by respondent. Full stop para. What the High Court has done by entertaining the writ petition and issuing directions for protection of the persons employed to do work 2 in bracket 2010 3 SCC 402 3 in bracket 2011 bracket close 8 SCC 568 relating to sewage operations is part of its obligation to do justice to the disadvantaged and poor sections of the society. Full stop. We may add that the superior courts will be failing in their constitutional duty if they decline to entertain petitions filed by genuine social groups, comma, NGOs and social workers for espousing the cause of those who are deprived of the basic rights available to every human being, comma, what to say of fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution. Full stop. It is the duty of the judicial constituent of the state, like its political and executive constituents, to protect the rights of every citizen and every individual and ensure that everyone is able to live with dignity. Full stop unquote para. There can be little or no doubt at all that widows in some parts of the country are socially deprived and to an extent ostracized. Full stop. Perhaps this is the reason why many of them choose to come to Vrindavan and other ashrams where, comma, unfortunately, comma, they are not treated with the dignity they deserve. Full stop. This is evident from the article that caused this public interest litigation and the compilation of reports that this litigation has generated. Full stop. It is to give voice these hapless widows that it became necessary for this court to intervene as a part of its constitutional duty and for reasons of social justice to issue appropriate directions. Full stop para. We must express our gratitude to the petitioners, comma, the Ministry of Women and Child Development and the National Commission for Women for the efforts put in, and particularly to Ms. Renuka Kumar, who has been of great assistance to this court through her reports. Full stop para. With a view to follow up on the agreed action plan submitted by the learned Solicitor General, comma, list these matters on 9th October, 2017. Stop.